Hey guys, it's G here. I am in my brand new apartment. I am in love with it. We are still surrounded by boxes, but let me tell you about yesterday. We moved from our one bedroom in Fort Greene, Brooklyn to our beautiful new two bedroom in Greenpoint, Brooklyn. Obviously, we moved with a piece of cake, and Alex and the team were phenomenal. When I tell you how much care they put into wrapping our boxes, wrapping our furniture, like even these plants, everything was beautifully done. It was as though they were packing up their own apartment. They were on time, they were fast. Like, I don't actually know how they are so fast. Like, everything was done in a matter of a couple of hours, from the driving there and back, the packing, absolutely everything. They were phenomenal from start to finish. They were also so sweet and so friendly. They made it such a breeze. If you haven't used Piece of Cake before, let me tell you, you have to get on them. They are amazing, and they will be on speed dial when I my next move.